So the wind is kind of sticking around. It was pretty windy yesterday.
Yeah.
We had our highest winds of this whole storm.
Yeah,
yesterday,
43
right?
mile-an-hour wind gusts at Sarasota Braden Airport yesterday, but a little bit less today, but still on the breezy side. We're looking for the wave action to calm down, better beach weather, especially on Thursday and Friday. Here's what's going on with the beach problems. The red flag still up there as a result of the rip currents, but that should be expiring here at 8 o'clock tonight. Looking at the KC Key webcam. Pretty high surf for some surfers out there today, which is a kind of a rarity. You don't see that very often in the month of May, and that's a result of that tropical system. The Titan radar picture continues to show all this moisture around, but we haven't got a lot of it here. There is a good chance that some of this will work its way into our direction beginning on Wednesday, and then all this mess, for the most part, should be out of here. We're going to be stuck in between two high-pressure ridges, one to the east of the state and one over Texas, and there's a little trough of low pressure still hanging on Wednesday, bringing with it a pretty good chance for some scattered showers at least, and maybe some isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. We saw some action earlier down near Venice and Osprey and Nokomis, Palmer Ranch, and right along I-75 near State Road 64, even into Ellington. All the heavier rainfall, though, to our north. We're starting to see some pretty good buildup there in Hillsborough County, so still a chance for a few spotty showers through this evening, and then a better chance for a little bit more concentrated rain on Wednesday. You can see just one lone shower there south of Parrish and another one just along I-75, and then the heavier storms near just south of Jacksonville, stretching down to just west of Daytona Beach, Orlando, in and about that area. Some heavier rain falling. For us, the rainfall forecast from one computer forecast model suggesting we will get a pretty good chance for some showers and storms tomorrow, scattered about, and that rainfall could be moderately heavy at times. We are not anticipating anything too severe, and the European forecast model does show quite a bit of clouds around even on Thursday. We'll see a return to those afternoon and evening variety of storms, which will contain some heavy rainfall and even lightning back into the picture, especially on Thursday and Friday as we return to that east to southeasterly wind flow. But by the weekend, things will start to calm down here. We'll see less of a chance for rain. What's going to happen is a cold front is going to get into North Florida, and that will give us a southwesterly wind on Saturday and Sunday, and that will focus most of the storms, and won't be a lot in the interior portions of our viewing area heading off toward the east. Now, a lot of dry air is in place, and some of that dry air will eventually work into our direction, and that begins on Saturday and Sunday. But this high pressure ridge will start to take control and bring us that east to southeasterly wind flow, which will set up those afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Current conditions, we have some clouds out there, 79, but the dew point way up there. That makes the humidity at 94%. We have a south wind at 16, so still a bit breezy out there, but not as strong. 87, the normal high, 83 today, 75 was the low. Rainfall, we're above average for the month, nearly 4 inches, and looks like 1/3 of an inch above average for the entire year. Well, again, the satellite and radar combination is showing a good chunk of moisture heading over our state as far as highs go tomorrow. It's been warm over the southern and central plain states, even up in the upper Mississippi Valley, although it's starting to cool in Minneapolis tomorrow at 78, 89 in Kansas City, St. Louis at 90. For boaters tomorrow, a few scattered storms. In the morning, scattered, a little bit more numerous in the afternoon. Seas will be running 2 to 3 feet and south winds at 15 knots. The water temperature now at 80 degrees, the extended forecast then. Elevated chances for showers and storms, 40% in the morning, 60 in the afternoon and evening. We drop to those 50-50 afternoon and evening storms, looks like on Thursday and Friday. We return to mainly inland storms on Saturday and Sunday. The rain chances also drop, so it looks to be a pretty nice weekend, albeit warm. It's going to start to feel a lot like summer with high dew point temperatures and high humidity both on Saturday and Sunday. Highs will be in the upper 80s, but it'll feel like more into the mid 90s. Back to you.
All right, Bob, thank you.